In this ukulele tutorial and sing-along, we're going to do one of my favorite artists of all time and one of the coolest and easiest songs. This one's going to be Johnny Cash, Ring of Fire. And it burns, 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 the ring of fire, the ring of fire. All right, welcome to ukelikethepros. I'm the one and only Terry Carter. And if you're new to the channel or haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell notification, help us get to 100,000 subscribers. That's coming up real soon. And if you haven't done so already, you can follow me over at Instagram at ukelikethepros. So we're doing Johnny Cash, my favorite. Love Johnny Cash. This is a cool song called Ring of Fire. It's only got 3 chords, which is the A chord, the D chord, and the E7 chord, and that's it. I'm going to give you 3 very cool strum patterns that you can do for this entire song, and at the end of it, we're going to go ahead and do a little play along, sing along with me. So make sure you check that out. Looking forward to this one. And by the way, if you're into learning ukulele and getting much better, check out the premium membership over at ukelikethepros.com. All right, so here's what we're going to do. Grab your A chord. I'm going to give you 3 strum patterns you can use for this song, okay? This is really going to be counted in 4. It's like a fast 4, but really the way you kind of feel it is in 2, okay? I'll talk about that in a second, but the first way, just grab your index finger. It's just going to go down, 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 down. That's it. And really, if you want to count, it's just like 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, when you're doing it fast, but I was saying you're going to count it in 2 because it's going to be 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Even though you're still going 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. My foot is just tapping 1, 2, 3, 4, but I'm really 1, 2, 1, 2. It kind of has like this train country beat. All right. Now that's one way, just down, down. Now the other way, second way, way number 2 is I'm going to actually, and I do have a low G. You don't need a whole low G, but it does help. And I'm going to kind of hit the bass note a little bit and then do it down up. Just kind of bass note only, down up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so that's cool. It's kind of a little bit more of that kind of that train, that country beat that Johnny Cash is known for. Now, what I'm going to do when we actually sing it is this. It's going to take it up next level. Do this if you can. If not, do one of the first 2 strum patterns, which is this. Oh, how freaking cool is that? All right. Thumb hits the 4th string, down, up. Thumb hits the 3rd string, down, up. You're just going to alternate the whole time with that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Now, when you go to the other chords, you're going to do the same thing. So, for example, when you go to the D chord, you're still going to go 4th string, down, up, 3rd string, down, up, 4th string, 3rd string. And then when you go to the E7 chord, it's still going to be. And that's it. So there's our song. It's simple as that. Now, where do the chords change? Well, this is why we have all the music right on the screen for you. Plus, these songs are so important. You use your ears because the lyrics, the melody is going to guide you to when to switch chords. Right? But you can also follow me right here. All right. Let's go ahead and give it a shot. We're going to go through the whole song. So we're going to go through one whole stanza through, and then we're going to repeat and do the whole thing again. And then we're going to do a little tag at the end between the A to E7 chord. All right, you're going to figure it out. Okay, let's do this. Our first note here, by the way, if you're singing along with me, is love is a burning thing. All right, you ready? Let's do this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Love is a burning thing. It makes a fiery ring, bound by wild desire. I fell into a ring of fire. I fell into a burning ring of fire. Went down, 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 and the flame went higher. And it burned, burned, burned. The ring of fire, the ring of fire. The taste for you like a child. Oh, but the fire went wild. I fell into a burning ring of fire. Went down, 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 and the flames went higher. And it burned, burned, burned. The ring of fire, the ring of fire, the ring of fire, the ring of fire. All right, so there it is. You got to have fun with this stuff. There's a little Johnny Cash for you. Ring of Fire. What a great song. What a fun song and a simple song as far as the chords are concerned. A little bit tricky, though, without bass drum pattern, but you can get it down. So, again, if you want to take your ukulele playing to the next level, it's kind of a cliche, but it's true. Check out the #1 site online. That is ukelikethepros.com.